aluminum framed sweep with a rubber flapper on the bottom, kind of like a windshield wiper blade, a big windshield wiper blade basically. And then I veneered over it with a piece of wood, the same wood that the door is made out of, that the slats are made out of, with the same finish. If you look real close on the bottom, you can see the black rubber flapper sweep that's on the bottom. There's the door latch. Made that from a piece of wood I found in a creek where I hunt. And I think it's live oak. I think what it is a branch where the branch meets the trunk. It's got a real pretty grain on the top. And I put the tung oil and Spar varnish, a marine varnish, on top of it. And it's a slide type. See the persimmon wood bolt, and it slides. See, makes a, hear the click sound. So it's a slide mechanism. You can see the dowel that's connected into it in this groove, and the bolt slides across into a mortise pocket. Then I just took a piece of angle metal that I perfectly adjusted to make it a nice tight fit against, so the door is pressed hard against the weather strip seal. So you just kind of push on the door a little and slide it, and then it opens up. So here's a better view of the, I got it waxed, so it's pretty, slides pretty good. It doesn't stick out that far when it goes in the mortise. It only goes about that far. So and here's the latch mechanism on the inside, so I'll show you that when I go in. So when you come in, you just kind of grab, this is the latch that connects the door, with a piece of driftwood that I put Spar varnish on, and another one of those pieces that a smaller one that I found that was in a creek, just like the one that's outside. And they're usually got kind of a hollow top. Here's the top of it. I just laid it over here. This was the top of the outdoor one. This is what it looked like before I cut it. And it's usually got like a little hollow, somewhat of a hollow space in it. I just thought it kind of looked neat, so I set it over here by the sink. So here's the latch for privacy when you're inside using the bathroom. And it's a different type of latch. Similar, these two are similar, but this one, the bolt has a little dowel rod peg in the middle that's riding inside of a groove, so there's no way for it to pull out. See how it stops? Because it's hitting internally. And you can see I'll open the door. There's the dado groove, and I did a little bit of, I'm trying to get the camera, I did a little weather seal strip here, so when the door hits, it hits these two when you're not using the interior, obviously, no one's inside, so it makes a real nice weather tight seal. So the door kind of hits this one, touches against the other two weather strips, so there's not a void there. So when I close it, there, hear it? Okay. There. There, it's closed, it's locked. All right, and then, so that way the door opens as a single door, because this persimmon bolt, it falls with gravity and hits on top of the frame of the other bolt and locks the two doors together. So if you want to open the top door, I'll try to stand back so you can see this. You can just kind of tap this one. Okay? Tap it, and then you can open the top door. That's what it looks like with the top door open. So these are cypress. I made the boxes out of cypress, and I cut the rabbet, I guess, open face rabbet for the bolt. Persimmon, I use persimmon because that's a real hard, dense wood for the bolts. And then to close it, okay, to close it, see how it just rests right on the other one. That locks the two doors together. Standing back, it's pretty tough me videoing that and using one hand, but there's what the entire door with the latches looks like from the inside. Pretty neat. Very primitive, but it functions really well.